Hello guys, previously in my video I showed how to make the samosa fillings. Right now I'm going to be showing you a continuation, which is the samosa dough. Just stay connected. In case you don't understand, please check my previous video on samosa fillings. Enjoy! I'll first of all sprinkle 2 pinches of salt on the floor, and I'll add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then begin the mixing together. I'll mix together properly before adding water. I'll add the water in bits to make sure I don't add too much. I'm mixing everything together until I arrive at a semi-hard dough. Then I'll begin to knead the dough to make sure that it's very smooth and firm. Now I'll leave to rest for about 15 minutes. Now it's time to cut out the dough into shapes. I'll cut a portion out and roll on the floored surface. After flattening it, I'll cut it into a square of moderate size. As you can see, this is square shape. The next thing is to add the filling onto the square dough. I'll rub butter on the edges. This helps it to seal properly, to make sure they don't open during frying. And then I close them together in a triangular form. I'll seal the edges very well. Now it's time to fry. The oil is moderately hot, and I fry the samosa to a golden brown color.